Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, there has been a development recently where Reverend KuKa, Hassan KuKa, made a serious allegation that observation that Northern Nigeria universities have refused to allow Christians to build worship centers, you know, and in the north, in the southern part of Nigeria too, we have several worship centers, mosques in Nigeria university, and in the north we don't have churches in the university. And Reverend KuKa is saying that this is a very big dent, you know, on the side of Nigeria. What's your take on that?
Nigeria, I think Nigeria missed it somewhere time ago. That when they voted Muslim ticket, I think that was a blow to Nigerian nation. So you expect these things to come up, but they will not succeed in doing that. There is freedom of worship in Nigeria. So when a group of people come up in the university or wherever and say that Christians will not have their worship, I think they are showing more than they can swallow. It is against the law of the nation. The nation said there is freedom of worship. Whether you are a Christian or Muslim or idol worshiper or a pagan or whatever thing you worship, you are free as far as the country is concerned. It is in the law. So whichever thing, wherever you belong, you stay there. Nobody has the right to interrupt you or to stop you in their worship. So going to regards to what is happening in the north, they are saying that Tinubu is a Muslim, that Shetima is a Muslim, and the third person is a Muslim too. Senate President is a Muslim. Can you imagine where they voted President a Muslim, Vice President a Muslim, Senate President a Muslim? It's terrible. They know that these people can stand up and stand for them. But one thing is sure, that nobody can stop Christianity. The more you attack Christianity, the stronger it becomes. So in any nation, Christians are being persecuted the more, they are stronger in that nation. Wherever they are not persecuted, they are weaker in that nation. So all the attack against Christianity will make it to be stronger. They cannot be weak, and you cannot wipe them away because they have come to stay. I remember one man in the Bible that came up and said that they are going to eliminate all the Christians in the world. But unfortunately, a man came, a lawyer came, said, why not allow them to be? If they are from God, they will remain. If they are not from God, somewhere, sometime, they will be wiped away. And they was stronger and stronger and stronger because it's from God. It's not a religion. Christianity is not a religion. Christianity is a life. The life they are living. Just Christ like. That's it, Christianity. Christians. Okay? So the more you attack Christianity, the stronger it becomes. So nobody can stop them. In any university or any part of the world, you cannot stop them. Thank you.
So what do you think Reverend KuKa was trying to say? That Southerners and the Northerners, have universities, have worship centers. Then how do we go about, do we need a kind of legislation to allow Christians in the northern universities to worship?
To stop this.
Nigeria should go to Nigerian constitution that says there's freedom of worship. So you don't have any right to stop anybody from what he believes. So Christians are allowed to worship, Muslims are allowed to worship, pagans are allowed to worship, and every other person is allowed to worship. So nobody can come up and stop any other person. Nigerian constitution should be reviewed. Not reviewed, they should invoke Nigerian constitution over that. To stand on their ground, anybody that tries that will go to jail. Because you cannot tell me that the Muslim will come to this place and and want to worship and say the person no. I cannot stop such person. In the south, nobody has been stopped. Why should it be done in the north?
At the end, today we are
they thought that is their stronghold. No, you can't stop it.
They are the parties.
You are running a federal system of
look around. You see people
federal system. Nigeria is one nation, and you have one constitution that governs the north and the south.
Okay.
Nigeria is going back.
Recently, Simon Ekpa said he's inviting Flavor and Odumeje to Biafran, a kind of convention in Finland. You know, Nigerians have been reacting to that. What do you think is actually the meaning of what Simon Ekpa is trying to do?
When your father reads,
actually, I don't really understand the guy. Anyway. I don't really understand the guy. For him to invite Odumeje and Flavor, I think these people are just comedians. They are comedians. You know, Odumeje said he's a pastor. And Flavor is a musician. So the two, there are two different sets of people. This one says he's a ordinary musician, while this one is a pastor. Bringing them is just to bring attraction. I think that's the aim of bringing them, to bring attraction, so that people will focus on them. Because Odumeje has people that follow him. He has people that like his actions. Yes, all his everything he do is just entertainment. So, and he claimed to be a pastor, which I'm yet to believe.
We expect Tinubu to do that.
Thank you.